Okay, introducing my Pete Anderson Eastsider S Reverend Telecaster Strat Hybrid. Okay, this is a super duper versatile electric guitar. It's got aftermarket installed custom Fat 60s pickups by Fender, neck and middle. Really nice sounding. And then we've got a Fender Tex-Mex bridge pickup, which I installed all three of these. Comes with a factory Wilkinson tremolo. How many times do you play a Telecaster with a built-in tremolo? I bet you may never have done that before. All right, let me give you some specs. It's scale length 25.5 inches. The radius, it's a 10-inch radius, and then it switches to a 14-inch radius as it goes on up. So it flattens out as it goes on up, so you can play with speed. And check out their website, reverendguitars.com, for more info. They have a lot of really cool guitars, like Swiss Army knife guitars that do a bunch of different things. Okay, so let's hear the Strat stuff going on in the neck pickup. Okay, a little too much dirt there. I'm going to jump to the middle now. No, let's go to the fifth position, the quack position, between neck and middle. Okay, so real nice and quacky. Here's your middle Strat position right here. A little bit more gain. That's the most you're gonna get out of me in terms of shredding. That's okay. Yeah, so and now let's give you the quack position right here. Dial off the gain a little bit. So that's your Strat stuff. Let's move into Tele now. So now I'm going to give you just the bridge pickup here. Sorry, I got an itch in my nose here. Okay, Telecaster stuff, okay? Whoops. You know what? Too much reverb. Dial it off. Ooh, okay, a little more dirt. there's that. Tele sounds, pretty cool. I can't play country, but I'm learning. Okay, so there's your Tele stuff. There's your Stratty stuff. And, I don't know. Well, okay, so now the in-between sound. So I pop this switch out here. And now, so long as you're in position 1 or 5, you're going to get a combination of neck and bridge. So it won't make a difference. Here you go. Here's your Tele sound. Here it is, just neck. Pop this. Get those two. Same over here. Here is just bridge. Pop this up. Bridge and neck. And now you get that Tele sound. Okay. A little compression. Back to Stratty stuff. So this would be super great for recording if you want to work in a hurry without getting up and switching guitars. Super great for playing live if you don't want to have to switch out guitars. It'd be nice to have a humbucking guitar by your side, but for single coils, I call this a single coil machine. All right, anyways, thank you, bye.